Hey there, that's me. I'm Robin. You might be wondering how I ended up in this situation. Well, to fully understand that, let's rewind a little bit. Hold up, not that far back. Fast forward a bit. Around about here.
Time for self-reflection. And Robin Jonker says that made him realize his life wasn't where he wanted it to be. So he decided to start living his life. And so he sat down and wrote down his dreams and goals, and he made a bucket list.
2021. The year where I decided to face my fears and take on my challenges. We're in the car now on the way to the airfield where we're going to go for the skydiving. I'm really nervous, but I'm really keen to. Let's get it.
Alright, so there's Robin and Renata here.
Good morning, goeiemorgen. Hello. Hello.
We just got to the airfield here now. I'm about to go through the whole procedure and the training and the safety briefing before we go out for the jump. Fully geared up, introduction is done, and briefing is completed. It's time to go soon. We're about to go now.
I wanna know your dark side. I wanna know your secrets. I wanna be your lifeline. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Tell me you're more than just a highlight. Pretty pictures on the outside. I hate to stare at you through these lights. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Oh, oh, this ain't love, no, no. This ain't love, no, no. This is artificial. This ain't love, no, no. This ain't love, no, no. This is artificial.
Whoa, let's do this.
Left behind, and I've lost everything. Forever living in the dark. I feel so alive, still remembering what I want, but it ends with you. Candlelight is your choice to make a little mockery, it won't do.
Absolutely surreal. I've never experienced a feeling like that in my life before. It's difficult to explain. You have to experience it to truly understand. The thrill, the peak adrenaline rushing as you free fall. All your prior panic and worries goes away as you realize everything is out of your control. You just have to let go. At the moment of highest risk, you experience the most blissful calmness. Frozen in time, just appreciating.
I was searching for something. Door has closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now. Still I smile but don't speak. Will you please slow down? Slow down. Slow down.
Okay. Yeah, Robin, you did very good. Thank you for jumping with me. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you, really appreciate
and
it.
happy birthday, buddy.
It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one.
It's been the most insane last 24 hours in my life. Starting yesterday afternoon where I went skydiving in Robertson, before we spontaneously decided to drive an hour away to get to the beach here in Strathspey, where we met up with some friends where we went tubing on the water and got a really insane close interaction with the stingray, and it's just been so insane. A beautiful experience, tackling my biggest fears, jumping out of an airplane at 10,000 feet. And yeah, it's been beautiful, it's been insane. Here's the clips, enjoy.
When I'm with you, I am able to keep pushing my limits, and all the drive that I have, well, I'm going the distance with you. I didn't know what I had till I knew what was missing, and everything that I dread, well, I built a resistance with you. Catch me when I fall, and I'll keep you on the ground. You were gone, I wish you'd stay. I could look at you for a day. Time was well spent, that's when I knew that I need to spend my life here with you.
I'm at Strathspey Harbour at the moment. I just made a massive stingray, extremely tame and very friendly, and it's called Parry. And it goes up to 350 kilograms big, living up to 25 years old, and it's been a local here for many years. Check this out. to the Straits by main beach, where we're about to have lunch at this restaurant on the beach called Seasack. So we got some calamari and chips here. I'm gonna put some lemon over it. And let's give it a try. Some dip in the tartar sauce. And that's great. Best calamari. Enjoy.
He has these reflections on the whole thing.
You don't need to have your whole life figured out. Just think of one thing that you've always wanted to do. I'm just going to do it without having any regrets.
That's right. Pick that one thing and do it. Just one thing at a time. Just one foot in front of the other.
If the first 2 months of 2021 has taught me anything, it's that as soon as you start properly trying to live the life you've always wanted to live, once you stop procrastinating, when you stop making excuses, when you actually start doing, your whole life changes way, way faster than you would have ever imagined. See you guys next week, and remember, live life.
Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be